What is performance anxiety? We all have experienced that in one way or another. Before a show, a performance, an exam, a test, a moment in our life where we had to face a challenge. In this video, I would like to have a look at performance anxiety in order to get to know it better, to define it, and maybe to find some solutions to beat it, right? So please stick around. Okay, now you're watching a performance anxiety video. It's very important that you stay calm in the process. Calm down, relax, and let's figure out what performance anxiety is before panicking or worrying, okay? Know your enemy, that's what they say. So here we go. Performance anxiety is basically nervousness. Becoming nervous, acutely aware of a danger, something that we will have to face and we feel inadequate for. It's nervousness triggered by a situation. Typically an exam, a test, a moment where we have to give our best, perform, and where we have some pressure to perform, some expectations, some pressure from external factors like our family or our team or our theater group, or some moments where we have to perform for ourselves. I have to pass that test because otherwise my university career will be in jeopardy, for example. So performance anxiety anticipates the moment of the challenge, of the test, and you become aware of it more and more as you approach the performative moment, the moment you're gonna have your test or your exam or your show. And this anticipation can begin, as you probably know, even days before. I'm speaking from the point of view of a performer. Typically, as a performer, you feel the most anxiety right before your show, right before going out on stage, for example. But actually, you can start feeling degrees of uneasiness and tension even a week before, or maybe 2 weeks before, if you are about to do something really important for yourself, for your career. So looking into performance anxiety a little more, we start seeing a pattern. The pattern is performance anxiety, as nervousness keeps you alert, keeps you awake, keeps you on the tip of your toes for the upcoming challenge. In other words, and no, you haven't mistaken me here, performance anxiety provides energy for you starting from 2 weeks before your test, your exam, your performance, until right the moment of the performance. Why do I say that? Why do I say right before the moment? Because typically when you start performing, then things get clearer. You typically are doing many things, you're doing many required tasks and during your performance or your exam, and you don't have much time or much energy left to be nervous. So actually the anxiety is only anticipating and pushing you right until the moment of the performance. And then the outcome of your performance, what you will do during your exam, will be largely depending not on your anxiety, but on your preparation. Extra energies will kick in. Your subconscious will take over and will allow you to show to an audience, even if you feel alienated and far and tense, you will be able to perform what you have come there to perform, what you have prepared. So let's start thinking about performance anxiety as an energy. Extra energy when you need a push to the stage. And we all need a little push when it's about a challenge, because we have to overcome many mostly self-induced pressures. Oh, I don't want to make a fool of myself. Oh, I really need to pass this test, this exam. I really need to perform well in this show, at this audition, because otherwise, I'll have to change my plans. So, performance anxiety is an energy and is on our side. And in any case, if you think about it, performance anxiety is not something that comes from the outside, right? It's not how you feel it. It starts from within. So it's something that starts boiling and ruminating much earlier from the inside. So again, we have an energy that is starting from the inside that is accompanying us until the point of our performance. Now, is that so bad? Are we really sure that this energy is an enemy? Because in my experience, the only failures I've ever experienced personally, on stage, but in general in life, and when I had to face a test, were when I didn't care. And by not caring, by just giving up, I didn't have so much performance anxiety. I didn't feel any anxiety. And I screwed up. But the times where I was tense, where I was on the tip of my toes, those times I always performed steadily. So this tells quite a different story, doesn't it? This is just the first video about performance anxiety, and we're gonna keep talking about that in the following weeks. Please stick around. If you have a comment, leave it, write it down here. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.